Beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. My body so melodic. This beat goes right through my chest. Everybody, my body.
Hey guys, Chico here, back with another video. Today's video, I am teaching you guys how to make a thumbnail. So in order to actually make a thumbnail off of YouTube Studios, you have to log into your YouTube channel from the computer. It'll tell you, but you have to create the thumbnail on the computer first before you are allowed to have access to start creating it on your phone. So I haven't did that with this account yet, so I haven't made any thumbnails. But when I be able to make thumbnails, I will fix all those videos. So maybe I should go on the computer tonight and fix that. But anyways, so you get your background off of YouTube, not off of YouTube, off of Google or WeHearted or just somewhere. Anyways, it's probably gonna take me years to find this thing again. Actually, I think I deleted it. So we're just gonna use this one because we use this one for everything. Anyways, what are we doing? What was the name of this video? If you hear anything in the background, it's just family. This size. I'm just editing this off of here because there's a second part to this that y'all don't know about. But anyways, how to make a thumbnail. Okay, let's see how it is right here. I'm just leave it at this. Anyways, you see how it is. So let me just move it over just a tad bit. Boop. Go to pick start for the next part. This next part, we go into pick start. Anyways, edit. Boom. I'm using one of my stickers though, by the way. I'm just gonna let you know that right now. So sticker, let's see how many stickers I got. It's basically an overlay, like this Ariana Grande overlay I could use. To be honest, I have probably like 3,000 overlays that I could use right now, but I'm not going to. It's your birthday, yeah, baby. Me and yeah, Rocky, it's a P. Which is one I had this the other day. Either way, yo, I need Jesus. Here, actually, I'm not going to. Actually, I am going to. Oh my god, y'all, I'm struggling here. I want to use one with like a person looking at the somebody looking at the words, pretty much. Like we're just gonna use Lily because why not? Okay, everybody has to use daddy sometimes. Anyways, I'm just gonna fix this very quickly. I'll be right back when I'm done. Actually, no, I'm just gonna erase it right now. Boom, boom, boom. Check. I think that's pretty much good. Y'all can make y'all thumbnail how y'all want. This is just how I'm doing mine. Check. Boom. Also, I am about to save this. I'm about to save this to my gallery so I can upload this right now because I will be using this for this video once because I gotta go to YouTube and fix that. I have to go to YouTube oh my god, I can't talk. I have to go to the computer to fix this. This is what I made. I'm gonna use that one for the first video. And then these other thumbnails is gonna take me forever. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, let's start. That's it for today's video. Your kid is out. Deuces. Also, I forgot, download YouTube Studio. You press this, and then you do edit thumbnail and put custom thumbnail, and then basically once you've saved your thumbnail off of Pixar, that's what you do. that's what you add. I mean, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment down below. All right, it's your girl out. Deuces.
So you don't gotta worry.